It seems that Katie Thurston is ready to open up regarding the challenging realities of everyday life, mere days after having undergone a double mastectomy due to her struggle with stage 4 breast cancer. Katie Thurston, who once appeared on the show Bachelorette, has turned 35 years old and underwent this procedure on April 29 after receiving the news that not only does she have breast cancer, but that cancer also metastasized to her liver. After the procedure, Thurston took to Instagram to share with her followers some honest insights into her initial recovery process, without trying to paint an overly optimistic picture of the situation. On May 2, the Bachelorette shared a picture of herself in a hospital bed, stating that the first day after her operation was confusing and stressful for her. Thurston added that even simple things like eating became a challenge, since she craves French fries despite her nausea. Furthermore, she was quite frank in disclosing some of the other challenging aspects of her recovery progress and said that she is still wearing bandages and has surgical drains in place at the moment. Moreover, it was emphasized that she had not looked upon herself after the procedure, indicating that there is still a lot to come before everything is revealed. Apart from being painful and exhausting, recovery often involves an aspect of adaptation. Thus, she made a point that one of the hardest things for patients is losing sensations in their bodies after undergoing surgery, which means that recovery takes on a new meaning, and one needs to adjust and accept new aspects of life. Despite the challenges that recovery presents, the blogger took a few moments to express gratitude towards those who have been with her through this tough time. Notably, she thanked her husband, a comedian called Jeff Arcuri, for supporting her with care throughout her journey. Updates were still ongoing on May 3 in her Instagram stories. This time, she announced one of the little accomplishments that she reached despite her recent surgery, her first walk after surgery. She noted that walking is more difficult than she thought. Her post showed how difficult even small things can be to do during this period of her recovery. As mentioned, she answered her followers' questions. In particular, Thurston explained that she is currently recovering in San Francisco because she needs to have her surgical drains taken out. Afterward, she will be able to head to New York. As of the moment, she hopes that the drain removal procedure will take place on May 7. However, it depends on how her recovery is going. Her health journey started in 2025 when she shared with everyone her diagnosis of stage 4 breast cancer. From there, she has been very transparent regarding her plans for fighting cancer. So far, she decided to undergo a double mastectomy as part of her efforts to have a good outcome. She has also been known to reveal that there has been a slight metastasis of her disease to her liver, but the treatment was immediately successful. In spite of all of this, she has continued to express optimism and her dedication towards living in the now. Thurston has in the past highlighted her mental approach towards this entire situation and revealed how she doesn't wish to let her life be dictated by her fears. She has explained how she has always chosen to live one day at a time rather than being preoccupied with worst-case scenarios in spite of such a dire diagnosis. As she slowly recovers from her recent operation, her insights shed some light on what it means to go through cancer treatment. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.